Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to attempt this again, and today we are making peanut butter cookies. So come on, let's get started. Okay, first I have a half a cup or 1 stick of softened butter. And then I have 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. And I have 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. I will be right back because I need to microwave this peanut butter for 20 to 25 seconds. Okay. So now we add, don't roll over there. Now we add our softened peanut butter. And then we blend it. We blend it until it is smooth. So I'll bring you guys back when I get done blending. Okay. Now we're smooth. Now we're going to add in 1 egg. And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. That was a teaspoon measuring spoon, so I just did 1.5 of it. So I'll bring you guys back when I'm done blending. Okay, now in this bowl I got 1 1/3 cup of flour. To that I need to add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 2, 3. I hope these cookies turn out because these are my favorite cookies. Then I need to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And we'll mix that together. Now we're going to gradually add in the flour to the peanut butter. So I'll bring you guys back when I get it all mixed together. Okay, now you're going to use 1 tablespoon cookie scoop, and you're going to scoop your cookies out. Okay, my cookies are falling apart. Heck with the cookie scoop, and just use your hands. And you want to place them about 2 inches apart. And like I said, if these turn out, I'll probably be making 2 batches of these, because peanut butter cookies are my favorite cookies. And then what you want to do is, you want to take a fork, dip it in some granulated sugar, and then just make hashtags on the tops of your cookies. I'm going to set this over here because I don't think sitting on top of my oven is a good place to sit that. So I will bring you guys back. I'm going to bake these in the oven for 9 minutes. And then when they come out, they have to cool on the cookie sheet for 15 minutes. So then you move them to the cooling rack to completely cool. So I'll bring you guys back when they're done. Okay guys, our cookies are done. Let's give them a taste test. I made a wee little baby one for me. I picked this recipe for these peanut butter cookies because they're supposed to be soft and chewy, and they are. That's why you only bake them for 9 minutes and leave them on the cookie sheet for 15 minutes, so they will continue to bake on the sheet, but they stay soft and chewy. And they got great peanut butter flavor. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Leave a comment and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list in the description box below, and a link to our PayPal account. This recipe will be in the description box. Sorry, I've been saying that. Every video that I've made this week does now have the recipe in the description box. I was a little lag behind trying to get them uploaded and get everything in there. I finally got it done late last night, so it all is in there. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.